Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bathtubs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in. At rank number 5, we have the JSQ BSECL Portable Foldable Bathtub, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $41.99, this bathtub offers a spacious 47.2-inch length and 21.7-inch height, making it suitable for adults who want to stretch out and relax. Its charming fish pattern adds a playful aesthetic, making it stand out visually. The design of this bathtub is simple yet effective. Made from 6 layers of high-density fabric, food-grade PVC, and reinforced cotton, it does a decent job of retaining water temperature for up to 60 minutes. It's easy to assemble in under 5 minutes and folds away for compact storage, making it ideal for small spaces or on-the-go use. However, the lightweight build, 6.34 pounds, means it lacks the robust feel of higher-tier models. While this model is perfect for occasional use or for those on a tight budget, it does have its limitations. The thinner build may not feel as durable over time, and the lack of extra features like a backrest or armrest may make longer soaks less comfortable. Still, for the price, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking to enjoy a warm or cold soak without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the Renovation Portable Bathtub for Adults, priced at $74.99. This is the premium pick in our list, designed for those who want a high-quality soaking experience without the hassle of installation. The standout feature here is its installation-free design. Just unfold it, secure the snaps, and you're good to go. No pumps, no brackets, no fuss. The bathtub's 5-layer construction features reinforced materials that provide excellent insulation, keeping your bathwater warm for up to 60 minutes. Measuring 47.2 inches in length and 21.6 inches in height, it provides ample room to stretch out and relax. The textured finish and sturdy support frame ensure stability, while the cotton-padded bottom adds a layer of comfort. At 15.92 pounds, it's the heaviest tub on the list, which speaks to its durability, but may affect portability. While its price point is higher, this bathtub is perfect for regular users who value convenience and quality. However, if you're looking for something lightweight or primarily for ice baths, this might not be the ideal choice. Still, for those who want a luxurious, hassle-free soaking experience, the Renovation bathtub is worth every penny. At number 3, we have another Renovation product, the Portable Bathtub No Installation model, available for $69.99. This is a fantastic mid-range option for those who want a mix of durability and ease of use. Its no-installation design is a huge plus. Just unfold the bracket, secure the snaps, and you're ready to soak. This makes it perfect for hassle-free use in small spaces or while traveling. With dimensions of 37.4 by 21.6 inches. It's slightly smaller than the previous Renovation model, but still offers plenty of space for a comfortable soak. The 6-layer construction provides excellent insulation, keeping your bathwater warm for up to an hour. The sturdy support bar minimizes the risk of tipping, and the thickened pearl cotton bottom adds to the comfort. At 8.3 pounds, it's lighter than its premium sibling, making it easier to move around. This bathtub is ideal for both hot and cold baths, but its smaller size makes it a better fit for users who don't mind a more compact experience. It's a versatile, well-built option that balances convenience, quality, and price, making it a great choice for many households. Ranked at number 2, we have the Zimi Aomai Portable Bathtub for Shower Stall, priced at $59.99. This Japanese-style tub is all about practicality and longevity. It features a foldable design that lets you reduce its size by half for easy storage. With a 45.3-inch length and a height of 19.7 inches, it offers ample space for a relaxing soak even for taller users. One of its standout features is the 6-layer construction, including food-grade PVC and reinforced cotton, which helps keep water warm for over 60 minutes. It's strong enough to support up to 300 pounds, making it one of the most durable options on the list. The tub is designed for quick assembly and even quicker drainage, emptying fully in just 3 minutes. On the downside, its overall weight of 6.39 pounds feels a bit light and might not provide the same level of sturdiness as heavier models. However, for those looking for a reliable, easy-to-store bathtub for regular use, the Zimi Aumai delivers excellent value and performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the COZ Inflatable Bathtub. Priced at $59.99, this bathtub offers an impressive combination of comfort, convenience, and functionality. It comes with an electric air pump, inflating the tub in under 3 minutes, and includes an ergonomic pillow, backrest, and armrest for ultimate relaxation. Plus, the zippered cover helps retain heat, making it perfect for extended soaks. The high-density PVC construction is waterproof, non-toxic, and eco-friendly, ensuring a durable and safe product. Its dimensions of 63 by 33 by 29.1 inches provide plenty of space for users up to 6 feet tall. The built-in cup holder is a nice touch, allowing you to enjoy a drink or keep your phone within reach while you unwind. This bathtub is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for any lifestyle. The only downside is that it's inflatable, so you'll need to set it up each time. However, its quick assembly and luxurious features more than make up for this minor inconvenience. For its price and overall quality, the COZ Inflatable Bathtub takes the top spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.